Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, we have something special down here at Birdland this evening. A recording for Blue Note Records.
So we had quite the electrical storm last night. So we decided to run and hide, and then we pulled up closer along the shore so we weren't just sitting out there exposed.
I shall improve as I stick and move. Vivid poems recited on top of the groove. Smooth mind, floating like a butterfly, notes set afloat, sung like a lullaby. Brace yourself as the beat hits ya. Dip, trip, flip, fantasia.
It was pretty intense.
Yeah, it was
I think we got some cool pictures though.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I could use a bed and a shower. Gotta unpack this little Jeep. Yeah. I don't know. I'm ready to take off when you are. How are you?
Yeah.
We could do some off-roading on the way out.
Yeah.